all is well. Welcome to second part of chapter 15, that is light. In previous session we learned about light travels in a straight line, then reflection of light, images and object, and lateral inversion. Now in this session we are going to cover the topics like real and virtual images, spherical mirrors and so on. So our first topic is real and virtual images. Images which can be formed on a screen are real, and for example, images formed on a cinema screen are real, whereas images which cannot be obtained on a screen are virtual images. For example, images of our face on a plane mirror are virtual images. Now we are going to learn about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors have curved reflecting surfaces and are also called as curved mirrors. There are two kinds of spherical mirrors, namely concave mirrors and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors are mirrors that curve inwards in the middle, whereas convex mirrors are the mirrors that curve outwards in the middle. You can see on the screen both the mirrors are there, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now let's see in an example. Concave mirror reflect light from their inner surface. You know that concave mirror which is curved inwards, and it reflect light from their inner surfaces like the inner side of the spoon. This is the inner side of the spoon and act as concave mirror. And convex mirrors reflect light from the outer surface like the outside of the spoon. Hence, the inner surface of the spoon act like a concave mirror and the outer surface of the spoon acts like a convex mirror. You can see on the screen inner surface which acts like concave and outer surface which acts like a convex mirror. We know that the image of an object formed by a plane mirror can be obtained on the screen. Let us investigate if it is also true for the images formed by a concave mirror. Take a concave mirror. You can see on the screen there is a concave mirror and hold it facing the sun. Try to get the light reflected by the mirror on a sheet of paper. Here a sheet of paper is there. Adjust the distance of the paper until you get a sharp bright spot on it. Hold the mirror and the sheet of paper steady for few minutes without disturbing it. Does the paper start burning? Yes, it starts burning. In fact, this bright spot is the image of the sun. Notice that this image is formed on the screen, so it is real image. Now we are going to see about the real and virtual images. We learnt about real and virtual images in a text, but have you ever seen a real image or virtual image? Here we will see real and virtual images using various mirrors and lenses. Now first we will see image formation by concave mirror. For this we need a candle, a matchbox, mirror stand and a concave mirror and a screen or a white sheet. In this, first of all you have to light a candle, place it in between the concave mirror and the screen. As shown in the figure, the candle is in between the mirror and the screen. The mirror is concave mirror. We know that concave mirror is the converging mirror and it produces the real inverted image as you see here. What do you see on the screen? Can you get the image on the screen? Very distantly you can see the flame. In fact, you can also see the candle on the screen and you see it is an inverted candle. Observe it very closely on the screen. What does it shows? It shows that a real image is formed because the real image can be obtained on the screen. Now, how do we know that virtual images are not obtained on the screen? So let's replace this concave mirror by a convex mirror. This is the image formation by convex mirror. When we place the convex mirror, uh, as you know, it is a diverging mirror, and this time we do not see any image on the screen. You can see on the screen that there is no image, because that means no image is formed. No, not really. An image is being formed on the mirror, but we are not able to see an image on the mirror. A diminished erect image is formed. Diminished means very small in size. But then, why we are not able to get the image on the screen? That's because this is a virtual erect image, and virtual images never obtained on the screen. You can see here there is no image because it is virtual image, and we cannot obtain virtual image on the screen. Now we will look at real and virtual images formed by lenses. First of all, we have taken concave lens. So we are going to study the image formation by concave lens here. A concave lens is the diverging lens, and here do we see an image on the screen? Here again we place the concave lens in between the image and the candle, that is object. So can you see an image on the screen? No, we don't see any image on the screen. Does that mean that this lens does not form any image? No, that's not the case, because when you look at the lens, an image is being formed. In this case, we can still see an image that is being formed by lens. Thus, this time we see an erect image being formed. So this proves that the lens still produces an image, but the type of image is virtual and erect. That is why we cannot capture it on the screen, because you know that we cannot see virtual, we cannot produce or we cannot create virtual image on the screen. Let's now try it out with a convex lens. This is image formation by convex lens. Now, when you put a convex lens in between candle and a screen, here there is a candle and screen, there is convex lens in between screen and candle. What do you see here? We can see an inverted image on the screen. Now sometimes, in order to get accurate inverted image on the screen, we might be adjust the position of the convex lens a bit. So once we able to see the image, what does it prove? It proves that a type of image which is being produced by this lens is a real image. This is also an inverted image, and you know that real image can be obtained on the screen. So based on our observations, we conclude that a convex lens and a concave mirror, are capable to produce real images because they can be obtained on the screen, whereas a concave lens and a convex mirror, remember, a concave lens and a convex mirror, they always produces virtual images which cannot be obtained on the screen. So students, here we have completed our second part of this chapter. Now we'll meet in the third session. In that we will going to cover topics like lenses. Thank you. Goodbye.